We'll call this room the sunroom. I bought this house sight unseen. Yep, this is going to be quite a journey. Let's take a tour. Let's look at what it is and everything that it's not. I saw this thing show up. 2 days later, I had an offer in. I had never even seen the place, never stepped foot on the property. And from the front, she's just looking like she needs some refurb, attention, a little bit of love. Ruh-roh. She's all mine. Yeah. It's got a permanently open back door. Rustic. Yeah. You may notice right off the bat that I have grown into being a giant. Or this roof is really low. Yeah, the roof's really low. Latex gloves. We're gonna need those, I think. I've got a feeling. Yeah. See all this cat food and kitty litter and stuff? Yep. This place smells exactly like you would imagine. Like cats. In here, we got the office. Good ass clock. What do we got here? I think the guy, I met his wife. She met me at the closing. Apparently used to race motorcycles and stuff. So we're going to see a bunch of things that I kind of like around here anyway, in spite of all the mess. Like there's some David Mann artwork up on the walls. That's pretty cool, I think. Anyway, let's keep going. So we got a little office. Not so bad. Just needs a little cleanup. Here we are in the living room, sporting an exposed beam ceiling. It's very modern. Got its own skylight in the back that doubles as a water feature on rainy days. We'll call this room the sunroom because of the sun that's coming through and the rain that's also coming through. It's fine. Here we are in one of the bedrooms of the house. Everything's still kind of here. It's one of the most structurally sound parts of the house, but you can see it's got some decorative water damage there. Lots of photographs that we won't show of the previous owners. Once we get out of here, though, this bathroom is actually enormous. There's a huge closet that you can't see. I think this bathroom is almost 10 by 10, the way that it all kind of shakes down. It's hard to tell with the camera in here and the no lights and all, but trust me on this, it's a large footprint. Back there is what is currently the second bedroom of the house, but I can't get there because, well, there's no floor between right here and over there. There's also no roof right here, which is why there's no floor right there. Ooh, free vacuum. Great. That lamp still works. Definitely not a fire hazard. Got another skylight slash water feature to hang. It's okay. We'll just ignore that. We got a ton to do here. So this is not a project for the faint of heart, but for some reason I'm still standing here with a smile on my face because I think I can make it better. I actually enjoy taking junk and turning it into something like nice or cool or interesting or whatever. And in this case, we're gonna take this pile of parts and turn it into a house again. I hope. I don't have that much of a plan, but you know. So the house being what it is, that's not all that's here. let's go take a look yonder ways. Got this free camper. Woo! Woo! It's also got this garage. And I got a free Datsun pickup. King cab. Beware of the dog. It smells like petrochemicals. Actually, it smells like a roller coaster, you know, like it's relatively dry in here considering it's been pouring. Obviously, we got some holes in the roof up there where the sun's coming in, probably other places, but it's a block structure that looks pretty okay, you know. Better than the house. If I had to live in this building or that building, I think I would rather live in this building. Got another shed back here. Only a tiny bit of roof damage. She'll fix right up. Yep, they had a whole power meter back here. Ooh, look, police lights. No big deal. We'll fix that right up. But gang, this is the real story of why we're out here. This lot is 1.2 acres. So typically around here, lots are about 1/3 of an acre. So the fact that this is just under 4 times that regular size was quite a selling point for me. So ladies and gentlemen, she is a major project, and that is probably a major understatement. But if you're like me, maybe you see a diamond in the rough, which is probably an overstatement. But that said, we are going to give it hell. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it yet, but right now my plan is indeed to fix it until I prove that that is not plausible. Our choices here are to be completely intimidated and have a bunch of buyer's remorse, or approach this with a sense of adventure and figure out how we make it better. All right, gang, stay tuned and consider subscribing. We're gonna get back in here. We are gonna clean this entire place out, assess the damage, probably gut it down to the studs, and figure out what to do. I guess you gotta be crazy if you think this kind of thing is gonna be fun. But I actually think it's gonna be fun.